गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर जिसमें आपके टॉपिक है बायोटिनेटेड प्रॉप्स। ये बायोटिनेट प्रॉप्स क्या होते हैं? तो ये जो बायोटिनेटेड प्रॉप्स बनाने के लिए एक प्रक्रिया होती है जिसे बायोटिनाइलेशन कहते हैं। तो पहले ये जान लेते हैं कि बायोटिनाइलेशन क्या है। इन बायोकेमिस्ट्री बायोटिनाइलेशन इज द प्रोसेस of covalently attaching biotin to a protein, nucleic acid और other molecules। ये जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं इनसे बायोटीन को अटैच करने की प्रक्रिया है बायोटिनाइलेशन कहलाती है। जैसे प्रोटीन है, न्यूक्लिक एसिड है या कोई भी अन्य मॉलिक्यूल्स हो, इस पर कोवेलेंटली अटैच करने की प्रक्रिया बायोटीन जो है उस को अटैच करने की प्रक्रिया बायोटिनाइलेशन कहलाती है। बायोटिनाइलेशन इज रैपिड, स्पेसिफिक एंड इज अनलाइकली टू disturb the natural function of the molecules due to the small size of biotin। बायोटीन जो है एक स्मॉल साइज है का मॉलिक्यूल है और इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 244.31 ग्राम पर मॉलिक्यूल्स होता है। बायोटीन बाइंड टू स्ट्रेप्टोविडीन and avidine with an extremely high affinity, fast on rate and high specificity, and these interactions are exploited in many areas of biotechnology to isolate biotinylated molecules of interest. Biotin binding to streptavidin and avidine is resistant to extremes of heat, pH, and proteolysis, making capture of biotinylated molecules possible in a wide variety of environments. Also, multiple biotin molecules can be conjugated to a protein of interest, which allow binding of multiple streptavidin, avidine, neuravidine protein molecules and increases the sensitivity of detection of the protein of interest. There is a large number of biotinylation reagents available that exploit the wide range of possible labeling methods due to the strong affinities between biotin and streptavidin. The purification of biotinylated protein has been widely used approach to identify protein-protein interactions and post-translational events such as ubiquitination in molecular biology। इसमें लेबलिंग मेथड जो है यहाँ पर दिया गया है। लेबलिंग मेथड: प्रोटीन कैन बी बायोटिनाइलेटेड केमिकली और एंजाइमेटिकली। केमिकल बायोटिनाइलेशन यूटिलाइजेज वेरियस कॉन्जुगेशन chemistries to yield non-specific biotinylation of amines, carboxylates, sulfahydryls and carbohydrates. Example: NHS coupling gives biotinylation of any primary amines in the protein. Enzymatic biotinylation results in biotinylation of a specific lysine within a certain sequence by a bacterial biotin ligase. Most chemical biotinylation reagents consist of a reactive group attached by a linker to the valeric acid and side chain of biotin. As the biotin binding pocket in avidine, avidine and streptavidin, the in buried beneath the protein surface, biotinylation reagent processing a longer linker are desirable as they enable the biotin molecules once it has been attached to its target to be more accessible to binding avidin, streptavidin, neuravidin protein. This linker can also mediate the solubility of biotinylation reagent. Linkers that incorporate polyethylene glycol PEG can make water insoluble reagent soluble or increase the solubility of biotinylation reagents that are already soluble to some extent. Enzymatic biotinylation, in contrast to chemical biotinylation method, enzymatic biotinylation allows biotin to be linked at exactly one residue present in the protein. This biotinylation reaction can also go to completion, meaning that the product is generated with high uniformity and can be linked to streptavidin in a defined orientation. Example for MHC multimer. Enzymatic biotinylation is most often carried out by E. coli biotin holoenzyme synthetase, also known as biotin ligase. The most common way of targeting a protein of interest is by fusing the protein at its N terminus, C terminus, or at an internal loop to a 15 amino acid peptide termed AVI tag or acceptor peptides. Once tagged, the protein is then incubated with BIRA, allowing biotinylation to take place in the presence of biotin and ATP. Enzymatic biotinylation can be carried out in vitro, but BIRA also react specifically with its target peptide inside mammalians and bacterial cell and at the cell surface, while other cellular proteins are not modified. Enzymatic biotinylation can also take place in vivo, typically through the co-expression of an AVT tagged protein and BIRA. Next, the natural substrate of BIRA is the biotin carboxyl carrier protein BCCP. Before smaller tags were discovered, a protein needed to be fused to the entire BCCP to be targeted. A protein fused by BCCP can be recognized by biotin molecules in vivo and attached to it. A few other small tags have been used before AVI tag, but AVI tag is the most efficient so far. Primary amine biotinylation. The most common targets for modifying protein molecules are primary amine group that are present as lysine side chain, epsilon amine and N-terminal alpha amines. Amine reactive biotinylation reagent can be divided into two groups based on water solubility. First, N-hydroxysuccinimide NHS esters have poor solubility in aqueous solution. For reaction in aqueous solution, they must first be dissolved in an organic solvent, then diluted into the aqueous reaction mixture. The most commonly used organic solvent For this purpose are dimethyl sulfoxide and formamide, which are compatible with most protein at low concentration because of the hydrophobicity of NHS esters. NHS biotinylation reagents can also diffuse through the cell membrane, meaning that they will biotinylate both internal and external components of cells. बायोटिनाइलेशन प्रोसेस यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है. सल्फो NHS NHS esters are more soluble in water, should be dissolved in water just before use because they hydrolyze easily. The water solubility of sulfo NHS ester stem from their sulfonate group on the N-hydroxysuccinimide rings and eliminates the need to dissolve the reagent in an organic solvent. Sulfo-NHS ester of biotin can also can be used as cell surface biotinylation reagent because they do not penetrate the cell membrane. The chemical reaction of NHS and sulfo-NHS esters are essentially identical in that they both react spontaneously with amine to form an amide bond. Because the target for the ester is a deprotonated primary amine, the reaction is favored under basic condition above pH 7.